Horses out, promise design, moving up in between horses is number 4, Finest Material, rushing a Splash of Class together with I Enjoy. Is Splash of Class, I Enjoy is running by around Vera Cruz. Then moving up, Hello Patrick, Appointment, Puma, Finest Material, Tisay Promise. In between horses is number 6, Madam Butterfly, Magdapio, Pacific Warrior, and Boss Benji. Is the little red still Splash of Class by about 2.5 lengths. Hello Patrick, Vera Cruz. Racing in fourth, I Enjoy, Finest Material, Appointment, Puma. Also moving up on the outside is Splash of Class, Appointment, Puma is on the outside there. Hello Patrick in fourth, is Splash of Class, Appointment, Puma is on the outside there. Hello Patrick. Then followed by I Enjoy, Promise. Also moving in. Appointment takes the lead, running by the Splash of Class. Puma in third, Promise in fourth. As they come down to the last one with Appointment by about 2 lengths. Puma on the outside, Promise in third. But still Appointment by about 2 lengths. Puma, Promise. Appointment, Puma, Promise is on the outside. Appointment, Puma, Promise, and finally Appointment close. Puma, Promise. Then comes Finest Material. 11, I Enjoy, Splash of Class.
At ayan po, Bayan Karibista, nakita nyo itong remate na ating llamado dito, entry number 9, Appointment, na nasegundo nga dyan, itong numero 10, Puma, close dun sa numero 7, Promise. Yan po ang ating unofficial standing. Tingnan po natin ang pakitang gilas nito ng ating entry number 9, Appointment.